Good morning to all. Today I would like to discuss some problems in arithmetic. Profit and loss is one of the chapter from arithmetic. This is the one of the model question from the chapter profit and loss. See the question. Cost price of 15 tables equal to selling price of 20 tables. What is the loss percentage? See the question. Cost price means CP. Cost price of 15 tables equal to selling price of 20 tables. What is loss percentage అంటున్నాడు. కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్ ఆఫ్ 15 tables కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్ అనేది సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైస్ ఆఫ్ 20 tables సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైస్కి ఈక్వల్ అంట. వాట్ ఈజ్ లాస్ పర్సంటేజ్? సో కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్ of means into 15 equal to selling price into 20. Now cost price, move selling price, this is this side, cost price divided by selling price, here 20, move 15 this side, 20 divided by 15. Now the cost price value equal to how much? 20 rupees. Selling price value equal to 15 rupees. That means he got profit or loss? Definitely loss. Why? The cost price is more than selling price. ఏం లేదు, కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్ అనేది 20 రూపీస్ కొని సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైస్ 15 రూపీస్కి అమ్మాడంట. హీ గాట్ లాస్ ఆర్ ప్రాఫిట్? డెఫినెట్లీ లాస్. లాస్ ఈక్వల్ టు cost price minus selling price. This is the formula. Cost price how much? 20. Selling price 15. Total how much loss you got? 5 rupees. He got total 5 rupees loss. But in the question, what is loss percentage? We want the value of loss percentage. So we have one formula. Loss percentage equal to loss by cost price into 100. This is the formula for loss percentage. So this is the formula for loss percentage. Loss, how much loss he got? 5 by cost price how much? 20 into 100. How many times? 1 20s are 20, 5 20s are 100. 5 into 5, how much? 25% of loss he got. Okay, now total, what is the loss percentage he got? He got total 25% loss. In rupees, 5 rupees. Okay, now so this is the answer. 25% is the answer. So the next question is, train is moving with a speed of 180 kilometers per hour. What is the value of train speed in meters per second? Very simple question and easy question. The train speed value given in kilometers per hour. What is the train speed value in meters per second? So speed of train how much given? 180 kilometer per hour. So ఏమంటున్నాడు, వాట్ ఈజ్ ద ట్రైన్ స్పీడ్ ఇన్ మీటర్ పర్ సెకండ్. సో ద స్పీడ్ ఆఫ్ ద ట్రైన్ వాల్యూ ఈజ్ గివెన్ ఇన్ కిలోమీటర్స్ పర్ అవర్. నౌ చేంజ్ టు కిలోమీటర్ పర్ అవర్ ఇంటూ మీటర్ పర్ సెకండ్. సో కిలోమీటర్ పర్ అవర్, 1 kilometer per hour value is 5/18 meter per second. Meter per second. Kilometer per hour means 5/18 meters per second. So that's why I have taken in the place of kilometer per hour 5/18 meter per second. 5/18 meter per second. So is there any cancellation possible? Yes. 1 18s are 18, 10 18s are 180. So what is the remaining numbers? 10 into 5 meter per second. So 10 5s are 50 meters per second. 50 meters per second. The value of train speed in meters per second is how much? 50 meters per second. Next question from the chapter, averages. Now see the question. The average of 9 observations is 87. The average of 9 observations. We don't know the 9 observations. Just assume 9 observations as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Just assume the average of 9 persons A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. The average of 9 persons is how much given? 87. Okay, now next, if the average of first 5 observations, the average of first 5 observations, the first 5 observations, if the average of first 5 observations is 79 and the average of next 3 observations, these are the first 5 observations. After first 5, the next 3 observations average is how much given? The next 3 observations F, G, H, the next 3 observations average is how much given? 92. Find out, child. Find the 9th observation. The 9th observation. Find the 9th observation. Observations nothing but just assume these are peoples. Okay, now the 9 people's average. For example, the 9 people's average height is 87, like that. Okay, now chudandi. So this is about the question. Okay, now the find out, child. Find the 9th observation. Chudandi. The average of 9 observations, their average how much given? 87, equal to the first 5 observations value how much given? 5 observations average is 79 plus the next 3 averages is 92. So what is the 9th observation? I don't know the 9th observation, that's why I have taken that is X. Now 9 into 87, how much? 87 9s are 783 equal to 5 into 79, how much? 395 plus 3 into 92, how much? 276 plus X. Now add these two numbers, 395, 276, 671 plus X. Here 783. So now 671 move this side. Up 783 minus 671 equal to X. Now subtract 671 from 783. So what is the value? 112. 112. That means the 9th observation is how much? 112.